And at this moment, right now, we are not hearing the sound from the Blue Yeti. And this guy instantly turns on when you plug it in with the USB plug. And now we're hearing the sound from the Yeti. And I've got it set onto the pattern that you can change on the back dial here, the bottom dial, to hear my voice coming from the front of the Yeti mic. So I have it tilted just because that's how I personally like it. And this is the personal distance that I'm comfortable with the mic. And I've actually changed the gain, the top little toggle here, to be all the way down because I'm a very loud talker. I find that when I get a little bit too loud, I can blow out the mic. So there's a few ways I could change that, but with just the mic itself, that's how I like to use it. Now I love that the mic actually comes with its own stand because this guy is actually pretty heavy. I'm not gonna lie to you. He's got some weight. This guy is compatible with both Macs and PCs. It just all depends on what kind of ports you have on the computer itself to make sure you have the correct cord. The cord it comes with is a USB, and hey, you might not have that on your computer. I've had this mic for a little over 2 years now, and I gotta say, loving every second. Just the phone microphone here. Yeah, a little bit of a difference.